guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make vegan potato QuesaTacos. Did you hear that right? QuesaTacos. What? Obviously talking about Taco Bell inspired, which if you haven't seen my, the sauce, like the quesadilla sauce that I made for the Taco Bell, vegan Taco Bell quesadilla video, check that out. I'm trying to put a card above if I remember. So what we're going to do is, this is a poor man's version, okay? Look, don't at me. I get it. You can put whatever you want on a taco. Please don't tell me potatoes don't have any nutritional value and what I'm eating doesn't even matter, because fuck you. Sorry. People always come at me with potatoes, but they got fiber and vitamin C and shit. Fuck off. So, okay. Obviously, if you didn't know, I'm a vulgar channel, so nah. Greg's losing it in the background. But this is I'm poor, I'm lazy, but I want something super delicious because I'm a fat kid. Let's jump in. Oh, wait, no, before I jump in, also, if you want to help donate to this channel, you can via PayPal or my Patreon, which will be linked below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because when I hit 10,000 subscribers, which is only 99 away, bitch, oh my God, 99 away, I'm going to do a giveaway. Okay, sorry if I hurt your ears. Let's jump. Ew. I'm going to make my homemade taco seasoning, you guys. So if you are one of my patrons, you've already seen this recipe from a few days ago. But we're going to make it again here today for everybody else, now that you got first privilege. Which, by the way, if you want first privilege on stuff, check out my Patreon, become a patron. You get things. It's great. Okay, so I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 of a teaspoon of red chili flakes, which if you don't like it super hot, you can do 1/4 teaspoon. You can omit it altogether, but you need some heat in the back. You know what I'm saying? It's flavor. And then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and then I also have 1 whole teaspoon of black pepper and salt. And we're going to pull out our julienne whisk, our little julienne mini whisk, and we're just going to mix it together. Now, if you don't have these spices and you're not trying to go out and buy everything and you're lazy and you want to just buy the packet, totally fine. Just get the packet at the store. But I will tell you, if you have a Lidl, which I think Aldi's does too, their spices are stupid cheap. They're 60 cents, 69 cents, depending on which one it is. Girl, I got so many. I'm finally building up my spice cabinet. I have about 1/2 pound of red potatoes that I just roughly chopped into cubes, I guess, whatever, into smaller pieces to put in a taco, you know what I'm saying? So it's about 2.5 pounds worth. I mean, you can use whatever potato you want. I just particularly really like red potatoes. So I'm going to take a little bit of EVOO and I'm just going to drizzle just a titch over top so that they can get a little bit coated. That way the seasoning has more to stick to. So we're just going to toss that in there, and then we're just going to toss it around until everything's coated. Then we just put them on a lightly greased cookie sheet, and I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are going to roast these essentially until they're little crispy tits on the outside and a little mushy tits on the inside, you know what I'm saying, like a roasted potato should be. So I usually do about 40 minutes in my oven, and I flip them halfway through after the 20-minute mark. Now we need to make our quesadillas. So I've got these small tortilla shells because it's 20 for 99 cents. Hello. So we're just going to put 1 in there, and then we're going to whip out our Violife, because y'all didn't steer me wrong. And now they come in slices, so 1. And then we're just going to rip off a little bit more for the edges. Hold on, girl. We gotta make sure we fill her out, because we ain't fucking around when it comes to cheese, even if it's vegan cheese. Take the other one, put her on top, and then, oh my gosh, she's not the right size. How can we, oh, there we go, there we go. And then, just quesadilla, and then flip it over and quesadilla until it gets nice and melty tits. The sauce I'm going to put on top is surprisingly generic, but I will tell you, this Southwest generic salsa, girl, this is the salsa you want, because it's plain and simple. You can do whatever toppings you want. Okay, great, grand, wonderful. But if you're a poor bitch like me, okay. This has corn in it. It has so many different flavors and spices than normal salsa, and I don't normally like dried salsa, but this bitch got me shook. You guys, what? You see that melted cheese? Like, they're so simple looking. Like, I get it. You're gonna be like, Shreese, girl, what is this? I don't know what this tastes like, but I'm gonna taste it on camera. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that melted vegan cheese. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, things to say. The warmness and like soft yet a little crunchy of the tortillas, the melted vegan cheese, and then like the taco seasoning on the potatoes that are a little bit crunchy and a little bit soft, right? We're like working with textures. And then that fucking clutch Southwest generic salsa Martin's who? That bitch out here. Like, I've never had a jarred salsa that good. Like, I can't even explain it to you. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Like, literally, okay, fine. We all love guac. We all love black beans. We all love rice. Like, we all love spinach and tomato. Like, we love all that shit on a taco. But, like, sometimes you a broke-ass bitch. And you need to make something simple. And, like, this is a very cheap meal. And it is going to feed my belly, Greg's belly, and maybe leftovers. But let's be honest, that shit's delicious. So... full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you subscribe. Again, I'm going to do a giveaway when I hit 10,000 subs, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Talking really fast because I just want it to be over because I want to eat them. Okay, love you, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.